That's right. Increase your credit scores with real results. Sign up for your free 30-day online do-it-yourself credit repair video course. That's right. Free 30-day online do-it-yourself video credit repair course showing you how to repair your credit, so that you can increase your credit scores and accomplish whatever goals you have set for your financial future. How soon do you need to obtain great credit scores? Don't make the same mistakes that thousands have made when it comes to paying a credit repair company, credit guru, or even trying to do it themselves, and living to regret it even to this day. Keep your money in your pocket, and sign up for your free 30-day do-it-yourself online video credit repair course and find out what so many have been doing wrong when it comes to repairing their credit, and what you need to do so that you are not left behind, and unable to get that great job position, awesome interest rates on vehicles, homes, insurance or financing, just to name a few. You may be trying to qualify for an apartment or condo. Or, trying to obtain credit cards, loans, tuition for college or start a new business. Whatever the case may be, you need to act right now. Make sure you click on the link and sign up now. Limited slots available. You know you need it. It's free. The power is being placed in your hands. And your problems associated with bad credit are not going away anytime soon, so you might as well just get started right now. Trust me. We've made it so easy, even an avatar can do it. Click on the link and get started now. Also, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, follow or whatever other buttons you can think of, to make sure you can be the first to receive our information-packed videos pertaining to all aspects of the credit repair world. Get started now, cheers. Go ahead, click on the link or copy and paste the link, but whatever you do, make sure you do it now.